Kids, Stories, and More is here, so let's all gather near. Art and cooking, movement too, reading, science, all for you. Jump and shout and cheer, hooray! Kids, Stories, and More is here today.
Hi friends, it's Mimi.
And DeeNice.
How have you been? Hopefully good.
Yeah, doing nice things for people, like today.
Do you notice a different room? I don't think we've been in this room before.
What do you call this room?
It's the bathroom.
Ah, what do you think? What do you call the room we're in?
Let's
Right,
see.
it's the kitchen. So what are we doing in the kitchen?
Well, I thought we'd make some meringue. You know, as a kid, I always loved meringue, and I've never actually made it before, but I thought it'd be fun.
Oh, I've never made meringues either. So we should really try this. Don't be afraid. Just because we haven't tried it, let's go for it. Okay.
That's right. So
right.
We're gonna need a few things.
Okay.
One of which is to preheat the oven, which I've already done, to 225 degrees. So have an adult help you with that. After that, you're gonna need some parchment paper. And parchment paper is basically what it is. It's a waxy-ish type of paper that lines your pans. You're gonna need 2 pans for this, both lined with the wax paper. And what's nice about it is it could go right in the oven, and it doesn't burn up. It won't like catch into flames like regular paper might, and it keeps your pans from getting burnt on and crusted on, and it's you know, easy cleanup.
Yeah. These are like my cookie sheets at home. Yeah, I get it. Okay.
What else do we need, Miss?
I know we need eggs. So I have 2 eggs.
But the eggs cannot be right out of the fridge. They have to be room temperature. So you're gonna wanna take them out a little bit beforehand. Or you could do what I did, because I forgot to do that. And I had filled a cup or a bowl with a little warm water and put the eggs in it until they became room temperature.
You may be asking, why are my eggs brown? Well, why are they brown? Are they the organic eggs?
They are.
Oh, good choice. Okay. What next is sugar. Really fine sugar, it says, but I think any sugar would work. But I did happen to find this sugar. It says super fine sugar. Who knew? And this was with all the other regular sugars, so it is there for you.
I think they want the super fine or the ultra fine because it'll be a creamier consistency instead of the regular sugar that's more granulated like sand. So I think that'll do.
Okay.
So what's our first? Oh, we're also going to need a bowl and a whisk. Although instead of the whisk, because my arm gets tired after a while, I'm going to use a hand beater.
Oh, is that why this is out?
Yeah, I love my electric hand beater. It makes things go a lot quicker. So if you have one of those, use that. If not, you got your handy dandy whisk.
Ready to go.
What's our first step?
There's just one more thing we need.
We need something else?
One more thing, yep. And this is food coloring.
Oh.
Yeah, but I think it's kind of cool that we use a certain color because there's a holiday this month, isn't there? A holiday that we enjoy, a parade, and we
Thanksgiving.
Like, no, that happens in November.
Okay.
This
Need
month
another
is
hint.
This month is March, and we parade the March and.
Oh, is that the one with the 4-leaf clover?
Yes.
And the rainbow and pot of gold?
Yes. Yes.
Oh, I know
And
what color it is.
what's your favorite color when you are celebrating St. Patty's Day, St. Patrick's Day,
Oh,
March
your shirt.
17th?
Look at that.
Well, would you look at that? When you go to your parties, you should wear green because green signifies it's St. Patty's Day. And so that's what I did. I brought green food coloring to celebrate and honor St. Patrick's Day.
Awesome.
Good. Okay.
Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is separate the yolks from the whites of the eggs. And if you need an adult to help you, please grab one.
I always think this is kind of tricky.
It is kind of tricky.
Do you know which is the yolk? Oh, we're going to show you. Which part? That's how tricky it is.
All right, hold on. Okay. So if you flubbed like I did, you're going to want to scoop the yolk out. And the yolk is the yellow part of the egg. Okay. So I'm going to...
Which we do not need.
I got it, I got it, I got it. Okay. All
Good
right.
grab. All right, let's try that again. Happens.
Oh, I didn't break this very well. I'm better with larger eggs. Okay. So I move the yolk back and forth between my shells, the top half and the bottom half, and let the white part ooze off.
That's the clear part that we want.
Now you can save your yolks and use it to make something else. That's always an option. Okay, I think I did okay. All right.
Now what are we making? What's this cookie called? Say it with us.
Meringue. Now,
Okay.
what's our next step?
Now we add the sugar.
Okay. And is this as we're beating or just?
A little bit at
As
a
we're
time
mixing.
as we're beating.
All right, so I'm gonna get on
this
this
side.
side
We
of
already
you.
measured it out. We need just a half a cup of this fine granulated sugar.
Okay.
So a little bit at a time. Are you ready?
Here we go.
This is teamwork. Little bit, mix.
You can add some more. Now, the beating of the eggs or the whisking will make it frothy and thick and kind of like shaving cream. If you've ever seen shaving cream come right out, that white foamy cream, that's what your consistency should look like. Put it right in there.
Maybe you can
you hit
tilt the bowl and show everybody what it looks like.
We've been mixing for a while with the beater, which you're definitely going to need, and you see the consistency is definitely getting thicker. Just a little bit longer and we should be ready to scoop onto our pans.
More mixing? Okay.
Okay, after about 8 to 10 minutes with the beater, the consistency has definitely gotten a lot thicker. Ooh, pretty much sticks to the spoon. So that's what you want. You're going to take 2 teaspoons and you're going to line your pan, your first pan, with the meringue mixture. Just a little bit will do you. And we're going to do it a couple inches apart. Okay. Just like that. They're going to kind of look like Hershey Kisses a little bit, the shape. Okay. So you see, we made about 15 meringues, just the whites, and now I'm going to add food coloring to the rest of the bowl to make some green ones. Now, depending on the holiday or whatever time of year it is or your favorite color, you could change that up. It doesn't have to be green. We're just doing that because it happens to be St. Patrick's Day soon. So here it is. I'm going to take the food coloring. Just I'm gonna try
Couple
and
of drops.
Oop, okay, it's going to be very green. Mix this in a bit. Oh yeah, it's definitely going to be green.
Oh, we're going to have a St. Patrick's Day party. Oh, they're so pretty.
Yeah, and
They're
if you
gonna
want
go
to,
with those white ones over there.
if you want a darker green, you'll have to add a few more drops than I did.
Yeah, we thought that was going to be really bright green.
but the
we
white took
need it.
over and made it a light green, but that's okay.
Isn't that pretty in the blue bowl?
Hi friends, the meringues are done. And look at how cool it looks. It looks like lava coming out of a volcano, right? So I'm gonna take a taste of this. Would you like one?
Okay.
All right.
Should I take the white?
Sure.
Why, thank you. Okay. Cheers.
Cheers.
Here we go.
Happy St. Patrick's Day. Very good.
Crunchy on the outside, soft and gooey on the inside.
I give this a thumbs up.
Me too. Okay, enjoy. Thanks for joining us. Don't forget, subscribe, share, like. Come back soon because we've got more cooking and so much more. You know that. Bye.
Enjoy.
DeeNice says, do something nice.
Mimi's message, put a smile on someone's face today.
Friend shake.
Ooh, boom, boom. Air high five, spin, shake. See you soon.